The SILKYDRY Corner Desk 90 degrees is ingeniously crafted to maximize space with its unique triangular design, making it an ideal solution for compact rooms. Equipped with a built-in charging station, this desk seamlessly integrates technology by offering 2 outlets, 2 USB ports, and a Type-C port, ensuring all your devices stay powered without clutter. Constructed from robust materials, it promises durability and stability, with the ability to support up to 88 pounds on the tabletop. Its versatility is unmatched, as it can function as a chic vanity table, a practical workstation, or a stylish console desk, effortlessly blending with any decor style. The desk's thoughtful design includes 2 spacious drawers and open shelves, providing ample storage and easy access to your essentials. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions provided, and the smooth surface ensures maintenance is a breeze, requiring just a simple wipe to keep it pristine.